Hey, it's me, Karina, and this is a Charlotte ReStore DIY. Today, we're making faux cactus. We want to give a shout out to our friend Sadie and her blog, Sadie Season Goods, for this great idea for a DIY. Let's begin by gathering our supplies. First, you're going to need fence post caps, which you can purchase at the Charlotte ReStore for as low as 99 cents. Primer, green spray paint, craft styrofoam or styrofoam you have lying around your home. Pinto beans for your desert landscape. Craft paints or paint pens to decorate your cactus. A cardboard box. Super glue. Flowers. And finally, a container for your cactus, which you can also purchase at the Charlotte ReStore. First, you'll need to place your post caps in the cardboard box. Once the post caps are secure in the cardboard box, it's time to start priming. Be sure you're in a well-ventilated area and spray paint in short, smooth bursts to prevent dripping. As always, with primer or spray paint, you may need more than one coat. Now that the primer is dry, you can begin spray painting your cactus in any shade of green you like. Don't like green? Choose a different color, maybe purple. Remember, always spray paint in a well-ventilated area. Now that our cactus are dry, it's time to put the finishing touches on them. For this DIY, we used a variety of tools, including Q-tips, paint pens, craft paint, and paint brushes to give our cactus that signature cactus look. We've finished detailing our cactus, so now it's time to plant them. To plant your cactus, place styrofoam into the container and then insert the fence post cap into the styrofoam. You may need to trim the styrofoam for a tight fit. Now we know you were wondering what we were going to do with the pinto beans. We're going to complete our desert look by adding those into our container to mimic gravel or sand. So you just dump those in the container around the fence post caps, and you can add other rocks or gems just depending on your decor. Create a blooming cactus by adding artificial flowers to the top of your fence post cap. And there you have it, your very own faux cactus made with materials from the Charlotte ReStore. Remember, follow us on social media and share your pictures of your cactus. We can't wait to see them. See you soon. Bye!